Ocean gardens, growing corals, restoring reefs. This is the theme of the 2027 Arts and Tides calendar. Beneath the surface of the ocean lies a living garden, a place full of color, movement, and life. Coral reefs are not rocks. They are living communities, carefully growing, shaping the sea, and protecting the islands we call home. These are our ocean gardens. But today, these gardens are under stress. Warmer oceans, pollution, and human activities make it harder for the corals to survive. When corals are damaged, fish lose their home, shorelines lose protection, and ocean life becomes unbalanced. If we want reefs to thrive, we must help them grow. At PICRC, our researchers are growing special corals that can handle warmer ocean water. The researchers test different corals to find the most resilient ones in Palau. They help these corals make new babies and grow them on tiny devices. These young corals are carefully outplanted onto damaged reefs, where they grow, spread, and create new life. Like gardeners, they tend the reef, not forcing nature, but supporting it. We are working with local leaders and rangers to help restore coral reefs that were damaged. We use special tools called reef stars to place tiny pieces of corals back onto the reef. By spreading them over large areas, we hope the corals will grow and help bring the reefs back to life for the community. Ocean gardens do not grow overnight. They grow through patience, science, creativity, and care. By growing corals, we restore reefs. By restoring reefs, we protect our ocean home for today and generations to come. Art helps us see the ocean differently. Through colors, patterns, and stories, the Arts and Tides calendar reminds us that reefs are more than ecosystems. They are part of our culture, identity, and future. For this year's Arts and Tides calendar, we want you to show us what coral reefs and coral restoration means to you. How can creativity and new technology help reefs grow strong in a warming ocean with pollution and stronger typhoons? How can we carefully outplant precious coral fragments and help them thrive? Most of all, what will our reefs look like in the future? Ghostly, white, and struggling to survive? Or vibrant, colorful ecosystems where corals grow, animals thrive, and local communities can fish, snorkel, and enjoy the ocean together? Each image is a promise to protect what protects us. The contest is open to all schools kindergarten through 12. Submit entries by March 20th, 2026. Work should be letter-sized, 8.5 inches by 11 inches, horizontal orientation, any color medium accepted. For kinder and elementary students, artwork must be done in your school classroom, and your teacher needs to fill out a copy of the entry coupon and paste it on the back of the artwork. High school students can complete the artwork at home, but please ask your teacher to still fill out the copy of the entry coupon and paste it on the back of the artwork. No text, logos, words, or numbers. Original artwork only. No plagiarism or photocopies. 1 entry per student. We are looking forward to seeing your artwork.